Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install apps with codes on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So, the first step we're going to do is to ensure that apps from unknown sources and unknown apps can be installed. The second step is that we're going to go over to download the application and use a code to download and install an application. So first things first, let's head over to settings and move over to system. Here we'll find about, and there we can scroll down to find the build number. So click on this 7 times to enable developers options. And now developers options are enabled, meaning we have the permissions to be able to give an app a permission to download an app from an unknown source or download an unknown app. So now that that's the case, we can head over to the download application. If you don't have a download application, I have a video showing you how to download and install this app straight from the Google Play Store. Now when you have the download application, all you need to do is come over here, navigate to the top bar, and you find this pound icon here. Click on that pound icon and type in the code. So for the app we'll be downloading, for an example, we use the code 103811. Okay, so that's the code. Ensure you put the right code each time, and whatever app it is, whatever code it is, just put the right code and click OK. This will have 5 seconds to redirect, and when the redirection is complete, you're going to come over to this site. So when you're on the site, give it 5 seconds to redirect you to the download package. The download package is going to be taken over by downloader, and you find that downloader will begin to download the app automatically. Now if you see something like this, all you need to do is refresh by going to the download button. So you can see my cursor, the button that has a link. Just come over here and reload it. That will be a network issue. So I actually have some network issues where I am currently right now, but if you have good internet connection, this should take you a couple of seconds and you begin the download. Just like you see, my download has started. Downloader has taken over the download, and I'll just give this a second to complete. So the download has completed, as you've seen, and now the settings pop up. So this setting is asking for security clearance. It's saying for your security, your TV isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So remember what we did in step 1. Enabling developers options would help us here. So I'm heading over to settings, just click on settings and then come over to these apps. So you want a list of apps and it says install unknown apps. These apps which are toggled on have the ability to install apps from unknown sources. I'm going to enable developer, and right there that pops up the install button for unlinked. Unlinked is the app for this example. It could be any other app, it could be a streaming app, it could be a game or anything else. So just click on install and give that a second. So in a few seconds the app will be installed to Chromecast and I can enjoy it right here with the open button, or I could just click done, go back to my home screen, and there you have the app added. So I could launch it and enjoy. So that's the process. If you found that insightful, the video was useful, drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.